The kidneys need water. Because when you drink adequate water, it keeps your blood nice and thin, and it's a lot easier for that little filtering unit to filter your blood when the blood's nice and thin. So we need to be drinking at least 2 to 2.5 litres of water every day.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill reveals the shocking way to detox kidneys.
In a 24-hour period, 1,800 litres of blood is filtered. We don't have that much blood. No, we don't. But every 2 minutes, 1.2 litres goes through the little filtering unit. And out of that filtering unit, 180 litres of filtrate is filtered out.
Our kidneys require a sufficient amount of fluid to process and eliminate waste through urine. Kidney stones can occur more frequently if we don't drink enough water, and our kidneys may have trouble effectively filtering out waste products like creatinine. It's not just about drinking water, though. The quality of what you drink matters too. High-sugar, caffeinated beverages can stress your kidneys, whereas water, herbal teas, and some of the kidney-friendly drinks can support your kidneys' natural functions. A good way to know if you're well hydrated is to keep track of how frequently you're peeing and the color of your pee. When you're hydrated, you'll likely feel the urge to pee at least every 3 to 4 hours, and your urine should be a clear, light yellow color. Other common symptoms of mild dehydration include dry tongue or mouth, headache, tiredness, dry skin, muscle weakness, dizziness. These natural, simple to make, and incredibly beneficial drinks are a great way to give your body a cleansing boost, and packed with benefits that go beyond just detoxifying your kidneys. Number 1. Lemon Ginger Detox. This drink combines the freshness of lemon with the zing of ginger, both known for their incredible health benefits, especially when it comes to cleansing and healing the body. Lemons are a great source of antioxidants and vitamin C, both of which are essential for fighting off free radicals that can harm cells, including kidney cells. The citric acid found in lemons also helps prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, creating a less favorable environment for kidney stone formation. On the other hand, ginger is well known for its anti-inflammatory qualities, which help with digestion and calm the body's internal functions, including those at the cellular level in the kidneys. Ginger contains gingerols and shogales, active compounds that help with nausea and inflammation reduction, but also encourage your kidneys to flush out toxins. To make the lemon ginger detox, you'll need the juice of 1 large lemon, a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, a teaspoon of raw honey, optional for sweetness, and about 2 cups of warm water. Begin by grating the ginger directly into your warm water to let it steep and release all its beneficial oils. After about 5 minutes, add the freshly squeezed lemon juice and stir in the honey if you're using it. To obtain the most benefits from the ginger and lemon combined, this drink is best consumed warm. This concoction is not only tasty, but it also works wonders for kidney detoxification. Regular consumption of this beverage can aid in purifying the kidneys by eliminating excessive creatinine, urea, and toxins, all of which are important for individuals seeking to lower their creatinine levels in a natural way. By ensuring you're well hydrated with fluids like the lemon ginger detox, you're not only supporting kidney function but also helping maintain a balanced creatinine level. Additionally, incorporating this drink into your daily routine can have broader health impacts. Regular consumption can improve skin health, boost immune function, and even aid in weight loss, which indirectly benefits your kidneys by reducing the body's overall stress and workload. In essence, the lemon ginger detox is more than just a pleasant beverage. Make it a part of your morning ritual or use it as a rejuvenating drink throughout the day to maximize these benefits. Now let's move on to our next drink, which will continue to aid in cleansing and protecting your kidneys. Number 2. Beetroot juice. Beetroots are not just colorful, but they are also highly effective in supporting detoxification, especially for the kidneys. Beetroots are a natural blood purifier, which is crucial in kidney health because cleaner blood eases the burden on your kidneys. Packed with antioxidants, nitrates, and betalains, beetroots support kidney function by facilitating the elimination of harmful substances and helping to regulate blood pressure levels. Furthermore, a high nitrate content in beetroot helps to naturally dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and thus kidney function. To make our beetroot blast, you'll need 1 large beetroot, peeled and chopped, the juice of half a lemon, a slice of fresh ginger for an extra kick, and a cup of water or coconut water for an added electrolyte boost. Simply combine all these ingredients in your blender, blitz until smooth and enjoy chilled. Studies have shown that the betalains in beetroots provide significant anti-inflammatory and detoxification support. This is especially beneficial if you're dealing with elevated creatinine levels, as it implies that your kidneys are stressed or overworked. The ginger not only adds a sharp, spicy layer to the drink, but also boasts anti-inflammatory properties, complementing the beetroot in detoxification. Incorporating beetroot blast into your diet provides a dual benefit, as it not only replenishes and revives your body with essential hydration and nutrients, but also supplies your kidneys with the vital elements they need to revitalize and regenerate. Moreover, this drink is a great way to kickstart your metabolism in the morning or to replenish after a workout, making it a versatile addition to your daily routine. Remember, consistency is key in seeing results. Integrating the beetroot blast into your diet can lead to noticeable improvements in kidney function, blood pressure regulation, and overall detoxification. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, but a boon for your kidneys too. Now, let's prepare for our next revitalizing drink. Number 3. Parsley Power Potion. Parsley is more than just a garnish. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Parsley contains high levels of vitamin C, antioxidants, and chlorophyll, which give it powerful diuretic qualities that aid in eliminating toxins from the kidneys. It also contains compounds that can increase urine production, which helps the kidneys remove excess urea and creatinine. To make the Parsley Power Potion, you'll need a bunch of fresh parsley, 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, and 2 cups of water. Simply blend all ingredients together until smooth. The cucumber contributes a revitalizing quality and a cool, thirst-quenching flavor, whereas the lemon enhances the purifying properties of the drink with its high vitamin C content and helps balance the strong flavor of parsley. The detoxifying power of this drink lies in its ability to stimulate kidney activity and increase urine veterinary output, which helps clear the kidneys of excess waste. The antioxidants found in parsley, such as luteolin and apigenin, not only defend the kidneys against oxidative stress, but also provide anti-inflammatory advantages, which are essential for individuals experiencing kidney stress or damage. Regular consumption of the Parsley Power Potion can lead to numerous health benefits, including reduced bloating, improved digestion due to its enzyme content, and enhanced purification of the blood. Parsley's natural diuretic abilities offer relief to those struggling with kidney stone by boosting urine production, thereby hindering the development of new stones. In addition to its kidney benefits, parsley is known for its ability to freshen breath, boost immune function, and provide a rich source of iron and folate, essential for many body functions including energy production and efficient cell function. Its natural properties support not just the kidneys, but also the liver, contributing to an overall increase in your body's detoxifying capabilities. Incorporating the Parsley Power Potion into your daily or weekly regimen can be a game changer for those specifically looking to reduce creatinine levels naturally. The bottom line, water protects our kidneys and keeps them healthy. Some research shows that other drinks from vegetable juices to teas may also help with kidney health. There's some evidence too that certain citrus juices help prevent kidney stones. Incorporating these drinks into your daily routine can help improve your overall kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney disease. With that said, we've covered the top 3 drinks that can help boost your kidney health.